guys, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a very happy new year. May we have a great year ahead. आज का वीडियो काफी एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है because I am going to recommend you all beauty brands slash beauty products that are made in India. These products are genuinely so good and absolutely one of my favorites. I feel so proud when Indian brands are just making that standard benchmarks that are of course beating the luxury brand. And जब मैं ये products की बात करती हूँ, they A suits Indian skin tone so beautifully. सारे ही products जो मैं आज बताने वाली हूँ वो Indian skin tone के हिसाब से they're absolutely perfect, and B the decent price point so that everybody can afford. So without making this intro more long, let's dive into the video. But if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Khwaish. I'm a makeup artist. I make makeup related content videos on this channel. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the bell icon below so that when I upload a video, you are notified. And now let's start with the video. So the first brand that we have is Tipsy Beauty. We all have seen Tipsy Beauty. आपने कोई ना कोई प्रोडक्ट तो उसका देखा ही होगा इंटरनेट पे वायरल होते हुए. And I feel Tipsy Beauty has done great job. Last 2 years से I am seeing their work. And उन्होंने जिस तरह से नए नए फॉर्मुलेशंस लाए हैं मार्केट में, नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स इन्वेंट किए हैं, formulate kiye hai, they are just beating the luxury market, and it is such a great feeling. But what I love the most from their brand are their hydrating concealers. These are the concealers from Tipsy Beauty that I love the most. I have two shades. One is 06 and the other is 04. 06 I usually use this to correct my all the dark pigmented areas हो गए, एक्ने मार्क्स हो गए, या कभी नींद पूरी ना हो तो अंडर आईज में थोड़ा सा डार्कनेस आ जाता है, तो ये परफेक्ट कंसीलर है. पिगमेंटेशन आप स्क्रीन पे देख ही रहे हो हाउ ब्यूटिफुली दिस just hides all your spots. And the next I use 04 to highlight my face. Again, water bang on shade. I feel both these are my absolute favorite concealer in the affordable section. These absolutely beat the Tarte concealer. They are, मतलब मैं फॉर्मुलेशन वाइज बोलूँ तो वो भी इतने पिगमेंटेड है. एट द सेम टाइम दीज ऑल्सो हैज सच अ गुड फॉर्मूला. आई एम अ ड्राई स्किन गर्ली, सो आई वॉन्ट समथिंग दैट डज नॉट मेक्स माई अंडर आईज केकी or dry, but these keep my under eyes hydrating. If you want to invest in a good concealer that has very good coverage, very good formula, I will 100% recommend you to try out Tipsy Beauty concealers. I also like one more product from Tipsy Beauty. This is their Silk Cushion Contour in the shade Chocolate Drizzle. Again, when I speak about contour, there are very few brands working on Indian skin tone contour ke shades, but I feel there are very less option for Indian skin tone. But this particular one is so amazing. If you are near my skin tone, you know contours कभी कभार अगर right shade pick नहीं किया तो it can make you look grey. But this particular one has a good formula. It blends very easily into your skin. बिल्कुल भी patch create नहीं करता है. It has this warm undertone जो हमारी skin tone के साथ बहुत अच्छे से complement भी करता है. So I love this Tipsy Beauty contour. So if you want to try out contours, and if you are a beginner and you don't want to go with very dark pigmented contour, I will suggest you to grab this one. It performs great on Indian skin tone. The next brand we are going to talk about is Simply Nam. This is owned by a makeup artist known as Namrata Soni. I have been following her from so many years, and I feel she has a very good knowledge of makeup. And when a makeup artist builds her brand, I feel that's a plus point for Indians because A, she has worked on so many skin tones. B, she knows Indian skin tone so beautifully. When I saw it has her brand, I had to grab my hands and I got a blush from their brand. This is Simply Nam Velvet Cream Magic Blush. It's in the shade Made of Honor. Look at this beauty. This has such a good color payoff. It blends so beautifully. It's a velvety creamy blush. It's a very good velvet texture. I love how it complements Indian skin tone. All of their blushes look so fabulous, and also this looks great if you have an acne prone skin, because बीच में जब मुझे acne हुए थे and I started using this blush, this didn't made my skin irritate. विच इज़ अ ग्रेट पॉइंट बिकॉज जब आपको एक्ने होते हैं, एक्टिव एक्नेज होते हैं, आप कुछ प्रोडक्ट लगाते हो ना, इट स्टार्ट्स बर्निंग. सो ये वो ब्लश ने नहीं किया, विच वॉज अ ग्रेट पॉइंट. सो इफ यू आर हैविंग एन एक्ने प्रोन स्किन, maybe you can try out this one because this didn't irritate my skin. So if you want to try out a good cream blush, I will highly recommend you to try out this one. There's one more product that I like from Simply Nan. It's of course their lipstick. How can I not speak about their lipstick? They are such a good formula lipstick. This is in the shade Hana Mauve. I'm applying it right now as well. And this looks so beautiful on Indian skin tone. Again, I've used it so many times on my clients, on myself, and this complement all the Indian skin tone so beautifully. And I love the fact, in spite being a liquid lipstick, this does not makes my lips dry at all. बिल्कुल भी ड्राइनेस नहीं छोड़ती है लिप्स पे. इनफैक्ट इट इज सो लाइट वेट. आई लव द फॉर्मूला. इट डज नॉट ट्रांसफर. It's a transfer proof, smudge proof lipstick. So 100%, if you want to invest in a good liquid lipstick, I will highly recommend you to check out Simply Nam. Again, the shade wise, don't have to say anything because all their shades are so pretty and complements Indian skin tone so beautifully. So you can grab, but this one is Hana Mauve, which is one of my favorites, and I absolutely love it. The next brand that we have is Mrucha Beauty. Of course, how can I not mention in this video? In case you don't know, Mrucha Beauty is owned by an Indian content creator, Mrunal Panchal, and she is a beauty content creator. So she launched her brand Mrucha Beauty. To be honest, I in all love the packaging. I mean, the aesthetic of the brand is so cool. It feels like you're applying a luxury product on yourself. The two products that stands out for me are, first, they are lip markers. I am obsessed with lip markers nowadays. I've stopped using lip liners. I am in the shade No Cap and Oops. Both the shades complement my skin tone so beautifully. They are so lightweight. They have a very good tint and they stays for good 7 to 8 hours. And not just that, प्राइस पॉइंट 349 में अगर आपको इतना लॉन्ग लास्टिंग लिप लाइनर मिल रहा है जो एकदम लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट जैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है, देन व्हाई नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन दीज. I love the packaging. It is 10 on 10. I love their shade range. They complement Indian skin tone so beautifully. And especially I love the Oops. It has a very good dark, intense dark brown. तो ये मेरे लिप्स को ना बहुत अच्छे से कॉन्टोर करता है. एंड इवन जब मेरी लिपस्टिक भी फेड ऑफ हो जाती है, this stays. And I've used this product. I'm using it from last 6 months and I am obsessed. So yeah, this is the product that you have to try. अगर आपको एक नया beauty launch try करना हो, just grab this. And the second product that I am obsessed day one से is their Brew lipstick. मैंने इसकी एक नहीं, दो नहीं, दिस इज माई थर्ड लिपस्टिक फ्रॉम रुचा ब्यूटी इन द शेड ब्रू. अगर आप एवरीडे के लिए कोई न्यू लिपस्टिक फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो, जस्ट आग बंद करके ले लो. दिस इज सच अ प्रिटी फॉर्मूला. इतना लाइट वेट है, इतना हाइड्रेटिंग है, इतना प्रिटी शेड है. द पैकेजिंग इज सो क्यूट. एनीवेयर यू कैन टेक इट. इतनी छोटी सी पैकेजिंग है. इफ यू आर अ कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल और एन ऑफिस गोइंग गर्ल, और अगर आपको हेवी फॉर्मूला लिपस्टिक्स नहीं पसंद है लगाना, आई विल 100% रिकमेंड यू टू ट्राई आउट दिस. टेक्सचर वाइज भी इतना मस्त ब्लरिंग इफेक्ट दे देता है. जो लाइंस हमारे लिप्स पे आती है वो भी क्यूरेट नहीं करता है. मृचा ब्यूटी के अब तक के जितने भी लॉन्चेस हुए, इफ यू आस्क मी पिक एनी वन, आई विल 100% pick this one. So go and grab it ASAP. So the next brand that we have is Verified. Now this is owned by an Indian content creator, Anam Chashmawala. I've been following her content from last, I guess, 4 to 5 years, and last 3 years में they have grown up and made a brand, and I absolutely love the aesthetic again of this brand. Has a very cool black vibes. Packaging is 10 on 10. I will say that I've used multiple products from this brand, but the top favorites are this one. Now this is their soft focus blush. It's a buildable blush. It's a powder blush, and as the name suggests, it's such a good soft blush. This complements Indian skin tone so beautifully. Has a great pigmentation. The formula is so good. Gives you that airbrush finish, and also the longevity of this blush is good and it stays for good 7 to 8 hours. I've used this. You can see completely मैंने pan hit कर चुकी हूँ. I love this. अगर आप मुझे एक blush बोलोगे जो powder form में है and I love the most, has to be the Verified. I don't know, this product is such an underrated product, but trust me guys, this is such a pure gem. It is absolutely stunning and you have to try it out. I am in the shade Cashmere Rose, and as the name suggests, it's a buildable blush. So you can build it up as you want. I quite love this product. The formula is 10 on 10, gives you that airbrush finish. Same category mein, they also have this soft focus buildable definition. This is a sort of, I would say, a bronzer. This also I've hit the pan. This is a perfect dupe of Hoola Benefit का जो bronzer है. It's Toneless, I feel, performs great on my skin tone. This has a very good warm undertone, which again helps to create a good shadow on my face. Has a good same formula, airbrush finish है, काफी pigmented है. I love the packaging. I love both of these products so much. I've used them. If you have not checked out this brand, go and give it a shot. Now, Verified also has this airbrush powder, which is again a great product. मैंने already use किया हुआ है. In the Paris filter, something like that is the name. I don't remember the name clearly, but I will drop a picture here so you can check out that also. It blurs out your pores. It gives you that airbrush finish. मतलब मैं usually use करती थी उसे after my makeup was done. Soft touch देने के लिए I used to put that powder and it just melts into your skin, gives you that airbrush finish. लगता है कि आपने अपने स्किन पे सच में पैरिस फिल्टर लगा दिया हो. सब चीज ब्लर आउट कर देता था एंड आपके स्वेट को कंट्रोल कर देता था. सो आई लव दैट प्रोडक्ट. इट कम्स इन 2 वेरिएंट आई गेस. एक लूज फॉर्म में आता है एंड एक प्रेस कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर्म में है. बोथ आर ग्रेट and I absolutely love them. I've used it and it's a good 10 on 10 product, so you can check out that also. Let's talk about the last brand of today's video, which is Simba Lifestyle, again owned by a very famous content creator, Mridul Sharma. She has the best aesthetics in the Indian market, I feel, and when she is launching a brand, it has to be aesthetic. And जब उन्होंने अपने Simba Lifestyle में makeup brushes launch किए थे, I had to grab it. This is probably मैंने 2 साल पहले लिए हुए brushes है. Look at the condition, still looks like new. मैंने इसे कितनी बार वॉश कर लिए. I usually use this brushes on every single day basis and मैं usually 1 week में वॉश करती हूँ अपने makeup brushes. Still the bristles of this makeup brushes are so soft. Talking about the packaging, you can clearly see it comes in this powder blue color. It also comes in pink color. I have the 12 set and that I guess come in 15 set. Both are stunning. Quality wise अगर मैं बोलूँ, they are amazing. So you know, if you are a beginner and अगर आपको कोई अच्छे makeup brush set में invest करना है, I will highly recommend the Simba Lifestyle brushes. Not only they look aesthetic, but they are so useful. And as I told, मैंने इसे बहुत गंदी तरह से भी wash किए हुए, but still the bristles are soft. के प्रोडक्ट को बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड आउट कर देता है एंड आई लव देयर मेकअप ब्रशेस. Invest in these one and you will thank me later. Yeah, with that we come towards the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check out and do let me know अगर आपने इनमें से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज किए हो. Do let me know your thoughts. I would love to read your comments and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.